Oh, shit.
779 out of control. Goes on. We're approximately 2.5 miles away from that scene if you look at that in.
Dexter and Laurel Streets, Watertown.
Yeah, 111. Someone get on a map and ask us where the nearest main street is so we can get that way. We're looking for a major intersection street.
Off Mount Auburn. They're saying off Mount Auburn. I know Mount Auburn's a large street, but off Mount Auburn.
Okay, I have it.
519.
Ten, 1 hour.
Location when the vehicle was Dexter Ave. Was it Dexter Ave and Mount Auburn?
And the 454, the Bravo 102, and the Bravo 103 are going up to Dexter and Laurel in Watertown. Every other unit stay in your district. One, I have you too.
Delta 611. 2929, we're going.
611, I have you.
5 in the 823 going,
23, I have you going.
Delta 852 to B3 going.
You guys are stepping on each other. Keep on giving me your unit call signs. I have to get you.
32 and 33 going.
32 and 33, I have you.
Delta 3 going. Kilo 902 going.
902, I have you.
Delta 868 going to be hit.
All right, you guys, if I'm not calling out your unit call signs, it's because you're stepping on each other. Keep on trying.
Delta 903. Control unit is going to hit that way.
Delta 903, I have you.
Victor Delta 15 and Victor Delta Charlie 10 are going.
15 and 10, I have you.
Delta 842, 819 going.
42, 819, I have you.
Delta 102 going.
Delta 12, I have you.
984 Delta Detectives to Watertown.
Delta 984 and Delta Detectives. Call out the detective unit call signs, sir. I want to keep everybody accounted for.
Get him as we're rolling in. We'll give him the...
One away to Watertown.
Keep trying with the unit call signs, sir.
Kilo Alpha 2. Kilo Alpha 5 6.
You guys are still cutting each other out. Victor K5, I have you. Victor K5.
K22.
K20.
In Dexter, they have explosives, some type of grenades. They're in between the houses down here.
All right, grenades being used. I have it. Keep on calling your unit call signs off, guys.
Shots fired, shots fired.
Shots fired. Shots fired.
Victor 819, put me Ocean Oran en route to
819, I have you. 819, I have you.
Now to Foster is standing on the ground.
Loud explosion! Loud explosion! Loud explosion! Shot fired! What?
Right, loud
Shot
explosion.
fired! Shot fired!
You hear a grenade going off? Bravo 454, Fairfield Street's one of the crossovers.
Send me the gold cars! Gold cars!
We got the gold cars en route to Watertown. That's Dexter and
We're
Laurel.
en route.
Being gold cars.
Bravo 127 along with some armor on the way.
car, but I think they have a stolen truck from the state police.
Ronnie, did you buy the Home Depot? Car just fled down low. Just fled. Give me a landmark. Give me a landmark.
SUV, the state police SUV.
Yes, hello. This is the 536. I'm with the 554. Or 556, rather. I'm with the 556.
Hey, we're just dropping off Sergeant Riley at the command post. Units Watertown units responding. Pursuit on School Street heading towards Mount Auburn. We have another pursuit on School Street towards Mount Auburn. En route.
Copy.
15X, I'm going off Broadway Windsor.
Broadway was under control. Answer Nora 9.
Be advised, tons of shots being fired. Stolen SUV from the state police.
Copy. Stolen SUV from state police.
Need an ambulance on Adams Street.
One of the guys behind us.
We're going to control.
Officer.
Are you responding there, 5-4? 111 control.
Go ahead, sir.
We're in the area of Laurel Street. We have a suspect in the area here. Several units out here now. The suspect is in the area. We have several units here. We'll advise. We're at the corner of Hazel and Dexter.
Control copy, sir.
Cap, I need long guns.
593 111 control. We have reports that they have explosives here at the scene. There are explosives here at the scene.
Received. 111, there's supposed to be an officer down. Hazel and Dexter.
Explosives.
94 Spruce Street. I need back 94 Spruce Street with long guns. 9 cars in row with long guns. 94 Spruce. Hey, right.
C6 to 658.
Go ahead.
Sir, it comes back on a 2010 Dodge Caliber 4-door, color black.
Receive. The ones are on Broadway for the locked rooms. Suspects are here.
The 421 Abbott.
101.
Someone Abbott.
Five 3 at 55 minutes. Button. It's right above H2.
Do they have both
SPs, or do we have a SP out here on the foot?
Sergeant, stand by. They're setting up a perimeter.
Set it in. Okay, what I got? 982. 982.
You gotta patch it up with probably Watertown. Patch it up with Watertown for now. There's a report of a second officer down. There's definitely hand grenades, and automatic gunfire.
Alright, I'm gonna patch up.
Coming down Beacon. Okay, there should be many ambulances and state police heading on that way over towards Cambridge and Watertown right now. That's Gold Unit. Go ahead.
Goal 411, 14 ball. I'll be tagging along with Goal 412.
With the 12, okay.
Spruce and Lincoln. Alright, Spruce and Lincoln.
You guys turn right. After you come past off of the mall, that turns right at the light. And it's down that side street on the right.
Okay, we're getting Cedar and Columbus. That's going to be the same also?
That's the 3 Watertown route.
You're en route C12, you want me to take P1 off the call?
Say it again?
P1 off the call?
I'm going to take the P1 crew with me in my vehicle.
After that, can you give me the location of their truck again?
On Cambridge Street at Soldiers Road.
Okay, Division 2, Boston?
Division 2.
Cambridge Street and Soldiersfield Road, can you slide that way to secure the truck?
Cambridge, Soldiersfield on the way.
Thank you.
P2.
2.
We're on frontage road at we're closer.
Okay, all units monitor your traffic. P2, note, stand down your citywide service. A2, I have a response for you, A2.
14, we're being ordered back by the police here.
14, maintain a safe distance, then A4, you copy?
Find them.
Okay.
Okay. 14, we're being advised that the Watertown ambulance has transported the injured police officer, and they may have a suspect who may be injured. There may be explosive devices on scene. We're being ordered back.
All units, retreat.
The location of the incident is Dexter and Laurel. We're being ordered back.
Okay. Minimize radio traffic. Let's go to a safe location. Advise me when you are at a safe perimeter, please. Safe perimeter.
Hamilton between...
White pants and pajamas and blonde hair.
Okay, it's a white male, blonde hair with pajamas.
Okay, I'll follow you, thanks. 1373K, I'm out on foot. I'm making my way to Spruce. I think I'm close. I'm going there on foot.
They just canceled that. It was...
We disregard those shots fired, ma'am?
Yeah, 104, disregard.
104, standing down. Heading to Watertown.
104, again, disregard. That was put in error.
33 to 54.
They're getting word that the suspect was on foot. One of those suspects on foot, Appleton and Laurel in the area. Appleton.
Come on, guns up here.
Brian, where are you?
1191, Sergeant Ackman's on a Fort Spruce in Lincoln.
1391 case for Fort Spruce. CP, can we just see if there's any plainclothes officers that are inside this perimeter, if they can just maintain the perimeter and not start wandering through the backyards on us?
All plainclothes officers on scene. All plainclothes officers on scene. Return to the roads and maintain perimeter. Do not go through backyards. Plainclothes officers to the road, maintain perimeter.
449. The PD here has this Mercedes, black Mercedes at Lincoln at Spruce. Unknown if there's anyone inside. $1370K to the CP. I'm on foot in the backyard between Dexter and Laurel. We could use troopers on Lincoln Street, okay? I don't know if that's covered yet. I would partner up. I wouldn't go out there by yourself. 59 Echo, those cruisers, duty office. Lieutenant from Watertown is requesting we set up a perimeter. Arsenal Street down to Arlington and then Mount Auburn. Box us in.
Bomb squad to the CP. I'm off at 547 Mount Auburn Street in Watertown for that package in the roadway.
CP received.
Station 8, we're at number 98 Spruce. We need to expand the perimeter in 4 directions from 98 Spruce. All police officers coming in, a 3-block radius from 98 Spruce. Start working on that with interagencies, okay? We have plenty of help up here. We need everything from 98 Spruce, at least 2 blocks deep for now, and then expand it.
Watertown's requesting Mount Auburn Street, Arsenal Street, School Street. Mount Auburn Street, Arsenal Street, and School Street. 2 blocks away is also Walnut Street that runs from school to Mount Auburn.
Okay, once we have officers complete that, expand it 2 more blocks from those areas. Okay? We have plenty of police officers here. Let's start utilizing them from 98 Spruce, 2 blocks, then 4 blocks.
1391 Kilo to any EOD personnel monitoring this channel. Sure, you have might be a dumb question for you, but will any of our cell phones inadvertently set off any of these possible unexploded ordnance? Are we best to shut them off from a distance, or is it all right to have them with us?
It is possible. We have RC devices in Boston.
Okay. CP, could you possibly make an announcement if people can probably leave those in their cruisers or something? We'll power them down from a safe 6.
CP received. CP to all units in the area. Power down all cell phones. Power down all cell phones for fear of explosion. Power down all cell phones.
CP, can you advise where exactly they want EOD assets at this time?
EOD to all officers on scene. We get multiple locations of devices. Can we please, someone just get on the radio and tell us where we have devices so we can deploy our assets, please?
Major Brown, the first, we have a robot at Upland Street. We have a robot from the city at Upland Street. Okay, so we're all set here. We have 1 custody at gunpoint. Someone else, please let them know where the second device is. I believe it's near where the officer is down. Over to Eric. Eric, Spruce, and Laurel.
Trooper Gahagan, we have a package on the ground at Mount Auburn. 543 Mount Auburn is what they're telling me.
Okay, stand by. All units will stay away from the suspect here until the robot goes in.
Cruiser 16H. We need a description on the party that's at large. If anyone has a description of the party at large, please give it out.
Attempting to ascertain that from Watertown, sir.
Is the black pickup still outstanding?
Theater is
respond. It's going to be 144 Dexter Ave and Laurel Street.
144 Dexter Ave.
Linking South 4 to Watertown, control over area line 3.
On 12.
5-4, go.
Bravo 111, we're heading to the hospital. They got one of them suspects coming into Death Israel. Bravo, go forth.
Rescue 1, answering.
Just power down their cell phones.
Yeah, Gold Ford, stand by with the 111's going up there as well.
Bravo 653, I got the ambulance in Watertown. I'm following them into the BI.
653, got into the BI.
Victor K9.
Victor K9,
Jericho.
Do we...
Victor K9 again, go.
Can you confirm that they have the suspect vehicle in the area, yes or no?
982, do you know what they have up there so far?
Vehicle. Do we still have it in the area of Spruce?
Bravo 111, we're at him, Robert, up here. We got Brookline here with long gun.
Okay, Brookline on scene at BI as well.
The 214 Bay State Road, it should be in the front door, by the front door, between the front door. You cut off. Can you say the address again? 214 Bay State, it should be in between the front door.
It's off on Spruce. Come out advance any due to the vehicle.
I'm sorry to swap channels. Confirm with me. I have several departments here. We're trying to find out. Do we going through the yards or do they have both of them?
The last update we have, two FTs, one in custody, one down on the ground at gunpoint, not in custody yet. The locations we had were Mount Auburn at Dexter, also Mount Auburn at Upland because it's the same, and then Dexter at Laurel. Might also be described as Dexter at Spruce, since Laurel and Spruce are the same street, just intersected.
All right. Call Watertown and get a confirmation of how many we have down. Please. I will say on two.
You just be advised Watertown is not answering the phones right now. We'll try.
How you on with that other Bearcat?
Bravo 455. Bravo 455.
We're asking everyone to switch over to channel 1.
I was with 633K. I don't know if you have it yet, CP. I'm getting word of an officer missing, unaccounted officer on Spruce Street, BUPD, missing on Spruce Street. We got him. He's with us. BUPD is located.
Watertown is asking for a unit to go to 11 Appleton Street for an assistance. 11 Appleton Street. Unknown what they need him for. We're trying to ascertain.
Yep, stand by.
the Harry 907, Sergeant, the Harry 905 have his personnel, the person they're going to take out to Brighton. Everybody else stand fast on the district and free up to take those calls, take that call.
Harry 909?
909.
Yeah, I have about 5 units staged here on Galvin Boulevard. I'm gonna pull one out. What is that called?
2262 Dorchester Ave, right by Richmond Street, the elderly housing. Details are male apparently pulled a knife on her, then choked her, and held her down, probably tried to sexually assault her.
Harry 907.
907.
Have the units down there with the Harry 909 to call off so we know who's down there. Everybody else to be free to take calls just in case the threat come in our direction.
Harry 909, the Harry 662 and Harry 691. They'll take that sexual assault call from this location.
662 and 691. Copy that.
Yeah, 909. Just put that information out one more time for those officers.
2262 Dorchester Ave. Male just pulled a knife on the female. Male's name is Thomas. He then choked the female and held her down. Said he wanted to have sexual relations with her. Female will be in the second floor hallway. Apparently the male pulled the kitchen out, the knife on her.
Harry 907.
907.
Can you do a roll call of the unit on the bat so we make sure who we have here to take calls on the district?
Harry 103, we're here.
I got the Harry 103.
We have the 102 available.
102, you're available?
Sergeant McTagg, this is Sergeant O'Connor. 283 will now become the 287 car. 287 car tied up at the scene.
I can't reach you on 8. I can't reach you.
That's fine, out there. Again, staging area will be Western Ave, Soldiers Field Road. And what units do I have responding down there? All outside.
913, try another service unit. Thompson's down here at the hospital.
Going back into the cars. I know 290 has.
No, 114, 11.
18 Langley.
Mass 3, Kilo Sierra Victor 20.
All right, I'll meet you at 287. I'm heading there now from the Dreyfus entrance.
That vehicle is being taken out at gunpoint. So far, he's complying. No street signs here. All I got is Carson. Across Dexter Spa. Cross Dexter Spa.
Most welcome. The problem is a matter of getting to it. Ted is now moved to Mount Auburn and Bigelow Streets. Mount Auburn and Bigelow Streets, just so you know.
All right. I'm going to keep quiet for 20 minutes. Everybody will be happy.
you calling?
905, you're heading out there with the crew to Western Ave, correct?
Yeah, I'll get when I get out there to the area, I should have probably 12 to 15 officers with me.
Emergency, 3 officers responding over there.
Escort from the Student Center to 650 Columbus Ave. 200 Lake Street in Brighton, apartment 448 on the 4th for the EDP.
200 Lake.
With the down officer, you headed to Best Israel?
Auburn Hospital.
For the officer.
That's Israel.
59 Echoes on Appleton. What was the number?
2701, you have enough assets there?